It's a beautiful Russian sunflower. Good sunflower year so far. Be happy with them. But we're here today to talk about seed collection of radishes. So this radish bed is pretty much gone. You can see that the radishes have formed into pods, but what you can also see are the fact that a lot of these pods have been eaten by birds coming in and cleaning me out. So in anticipation of this, I pulled a bunch of plants out and I hung them upside down to dry. So I'm going to take you over to the table right now and show you how to process those. And while we're on the way, I want to show you a couple mustard plants here. They also dry and have the same kind of pod. Any cruciferous plant, you can save the seeds using the same technique. So you want to let the flower bolt, and then it will flower, and after it flowers, the seed pod will form. And then from the seed pod, we collect the seeds. So here's beginning to flower, and so this will be seed pods in a little while. So let's go over and see how to collect some seeds. You can see I've got a lot of radish. This is the daikon radish that I've got going here. And again, I wanted to say any cruciferous plant. So what are those? Those are broccoli, cauliflower, kohlrabi, cabbage, any member of that family. Most greens, like mustard green, I showed you over there, collard greens, etc. So they all have a similar pod. And all you do is break the pod open, and inside you'll see seeds. Very helpful to have a bowl or plate or something underneath when you do crush these open. Some people use a rolling pin and then they separate the chaff, which is, you know, all this extra gunk in the wind later, called winnowing. You've heard of winnowing chaff. Or you can do it by hand and just let the seeds fall in there and then remove the gunk later. Some people use rolling pin. I just like to use my fingers because I want the best seeds. I'll pull ones out that I'm not hugely happy with. So these seeds are fairly big. Mustard seeds will be quite a bit smaller, so they come in all different sizes. The red radish, though, comes in an even bigger size. So let me go grab one of those and I'll show it to you. So what I have here is a red radish pod, or a series of pods, and here is again a daikon radish. So you can see these are shorter and fatter, where the daikon is longer and skinnier. But the seeds themselves aren't so different. Let's take a look. Not such a big difference. They're green. These are green. They will turn to black, as will the other ones that are brown. I think they get darker too. So anyway, that's how you save seeds from cruciferous vegetables. Anything that gets a pea pod, that's how you do it. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Bye.